There's a tiger right in front of me. He's inside of a cage.
Are you ready?
Yo YouTube, what's up? It's Triple P. This old cemetery behind me in Alabama seems like a great place to start day 3 of my road trip. Let's see what kind of caches we can find. Here we go. All right, I just landed on the campus of LSU. And there's a geocache that's about 150 feet away. So we're gonna go see if we can go find it. Let's check it out.
This where I come from is a small town. They think so small, they use small words. But not me. I started the night. I worked it out.
This is a tough hide, but I found it. Had to use some old pick. Gotcha. Cheeky little man.
Oh yes.
Got it. There's a tiger right in front of me. He's inside of a cage. Just arrived into a New Orleans cemetery, and you'll notice that every gravestone is buried above ground. It is a sight to see. I see it. Got you, Mr. Geocache. Got it. It was actually in the piece of thing that I moved. Wow. It's Bourbon Street, baby. Alright guys, the Brett Favre statue right behind me seems like an awesome place to wrap up this adventure video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Social media links are in the description, and I'll see you guys out on the trail. Have a good one.